Howdy, two moms, two kids, Dr. Angelica Hernandez here. It's been a long time since I've done a video because I'm going through a lot right now. I'm going through my own divorce, and but I just came back from court, family court with a friend of mine. I just accompanied her because it was just stressful for her, and I just wanted to be there. And I'll tell you something, not only is family court depressing, just the fact that you're walking into this building, people in the hallways look scared, look desperate, look beaten down. And all I could think of is, why does it have to get to this, really? How is it that something that was at one point beautiful in a loving relationship gets reduced to fighting over money and support? It really, I don't know how else to say, it's a sad state when people are dishonest. It's a sad state when people cannot take responsibility for themselves and for their children, and really being mindful that everybody has their part. You know, I have my responsibility in my relationship, as my ex-wife has responsibility in her in the relationship, and we do the best we can. But to go to a family court and to hear and see people lying under oath or exaggerating situations that aren't true and aren't real is very sad, because it just says that there's no integrity. And there's no integrity in believing that when you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, that it really doesn't mean anything to so many people. That is a sad state of affairs. So if you are in a relationship, if you are a parent, I really think, and I've said this before, that you have to have this conversation with your partner. If things don't work out, what do we do? And I think that that conversation and that agreement takes place before there's distrust in the relationship, before there is betrayal in the relationship. I mean, I think that everybody should think about that when they're involved in a relationship, especially before they have a family. Play out the scenario, worst case scenario, and put it in writing, some way to hold accountability for everyone. Because without it, I think that depending on the judicial system to work out personal problems, especially when it has to do with kids, is disgraceful. It's really disheartening. And I'm glad I was able to be there for my friend. It was hard to watch. I'm grateful that I'm not there with my ex-wife, that we have been able to come to mediation and take advantage of that, where we can speak to each other and work out details. It's not perfect by no stretch of the imagination, but at least it's not putting my hands and my fate into the judicial system for somebody else to make a decision that should be mine and my spouse's. It's just sad. So peace out. If you're in that situation, it's just hard. I can't imagine. Thank you, and I'm doing well. I'm just getting back into the groove here. So stand by, and look forward to doing this more often. All right, peace out. Two moms, two kids, Dr. Angelica Hernandez. Or I guess it's one mom, two kids now? I don't know. Anyway, peace.